Hi, my name is Paul Edward, founder of Transparent Forex Trading. I have some free training for you, which is unlike any of the other free training that you get to see when it comes to trading Forex, indices, shares, commodities, etc. In the sense that my free training is actually free. There's over 2.5 hours of pure content which will teach you and help you with your trading. Now, I've seen firsthand some of the dribble that is out there at the moment, how people offer free training, and it's very poor value. They don't actually teach you anything of any kind of use whatsoever, and it normally starts with a good 20 minutes to half an hour of a sob story telling you all about themselves and how they lived in their mum's basement or their garage, etc., etc. Well, this is just pure content. As I said, over 2.5 hours. You also get access when you register from my free Facebook group, which again has lots of free training in it, support, etc., etc. So if you're interested, just click on the link below this video. Again, if you're new to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, because I do produce lots of free training for you guys here on YouTube as well. And thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.